Oh, should I move this cat like this? It's okay. This way. Good. Okay. I'll just put it down. My name is Stefano Miniel. I'm from China World. This is beautiful thing, doing it, making sure that I keep records and show people around the world what's happening. And life is so beautiful too, while you have different experiences around the world. So this time I've had experience in Arusha city. This is my city. I was born here. You can imagine I'm in 20s age now. And I was born here, raised here, and most of my schools I've been studying here, primary school, secondary school, at the same time too, also my diploma level, I got it here. And now this place, it is Lake Manyara. It's just near to my home. Then I decided to come and shoot here with you. The aim of this video, it is to tell you about the time that I've had and nice experience I've had at the middle of the city of Arusha. And this place, it is always beautiful to me. And this time I've had a friend who is from Dar es Salaam. We met somewhere, and at the same time also she wanted to visit Arusha. And what I thought at my first time, because Arusha is big in the house, it has so many things, and also at time it was limited. Then I told her that we will do city tour, and then after that we went to another place. It's called Lake Duluti. Then the day it started like this. In the morning, I just grabbed boda after washing my body and preparing myself. I didn't have a breakfast at all. Then I just took a boda and ran straight to meet my friend in the middle of the town. She was there at the bus station. Then I grabbed her. We walked to the local market, and this local market is called Kilombero. It's a big local market whereby you can fetch fresh food there. There is vegetables, fruits. If you want meat, everything is fresh there. There is no refrigerator to keep like maybe tomato and stuff like that. And this is just because most of us here in Tanzania, we have this culture of not having refrigerators inside our home. Like the big percentage of people, they don't do that. What they do, they normal shopping for a day. Then maybe if it's morning, they'll come and grab some fruits there and some vegetables they cook for the breakfast. Then the afternoon they will come to, and also in the evening they'll come and grab too, because the market, it is open around 6 and close around 6 in the evening. So open in the morning and close 6 in the evening. While being there, I have experienced so many things. There is a place where you can see like the smell, a lot of spices. People have energy, and most of the people are coming from different places, especially to this tourism industry. They come there and buy some fruit, some vegetables for the hotels to cook some meals for the tourists who are coming to this beautiful place. We went to buy some water in this big supermarket there, because anything that we do around the world, we have to stay hydrated. Then we took a tuk-tuk. Taking tuk-tuk, we went to straight to this big market, whereby this market is tourism market or tourist market, because there you find a lot of creative things, these expensive things. Man, I really astonished myself with so many things there, because this is my 5th time being in the African gallery, where you can see a lot of artists display the things there, though they're a bit expensive. But when you reach there, you get the purpose of buying it, because there's some sculpture that are very beautiful. They really grab your attention, and you can look at it and you say like, oh man, this place, I will never tire of it. And also there's these paintings with different styles, like tinga tinga, like this color. I don't know, I'm not that good at that, but there are so many artists, they're real good. But at the same time also we visited, there's just in the same building, so there's first building, then after that we walk to the African Gallery. Then there is this cultural heritage, whereby this cultural heritage here, you find a lot of expensive things, man, and very beautiful things, whereby this thing for really you can imagine how things are, because we met this person. He was explaining to a number of tourists who were visiting there. He was explaining how he entered in the Tanzanite. So it was a cool story. He just inherited from his parents. So when you reach there, if he's there, you can really get cool story about Tanzanite. Tanzanite is only found in Tanzania. Man, it's very beautiful thing. I thought of buying it, but let me grab my hat. Man, it's super hot here. So it is very beautiful. I can say a mineral whereby you can buy to your friend, your girlfriend. Yeah, if I have a strong reason to buy it, yeah, I can buy for someone, but I will not buy for myself. I'll buy for someone. Then after that, we finished the tour in this cultural heritage in the African Gallery, whereby our minds and our brain were like, wow, because every place where we see this painting or this sculpture, man, people are very creative. Big shout out to this place, man. We really loved it. We really enjoyed it. Then after that, we grabbed a tuk-tuk, and grabbing tuk-tuk, went straight to find a lunch, because man, I was so hungry, because I used a lot of mind, a lot of brain to learn some artistic things, artistic drawings, because sometimes you have to use brain what he or she was meaning to the painting. Lunch, then after that we walk, and just a small walk, then we reach to this beautiful place too, at the middle of the city of Arusha. This is called Mwenge Tower, or Uhuru Torch Tower. Man, you can imagine this, it was being built even before I was not born, so it's more older than me, but reaching there, it is so beautiful. Then after that we went to this place, whereby it's called Arusha Declaration Museum. And Arusha Declaration Museum, it have a beautiful story of socialism and ujamaa and self-reliance, whereby it was being started by our first late president, Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere. So beautiful things, so many things that explain about our socialism life and about our history and so on. Man, life is so beautiful. And one of the things that I loved, I didn't tell you the thing that I loved about African Gallery, man, that is this picture. They didn't allow us to grab any picture, but I'm telling you, this is my favorite. I'm very sorry, African Gallery, to show this picture, but yo, man, this is my favorite. So coming back to Arusha Declaration Museum, this is my favorite place, because I get the time to visit this room, whereby it was the meeting that was held by Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere, our first late president. And man, I get the time to stand beside it, and I was feeling that it was me being there during that time, because He helped so many things according to our country. Now is peaceful and so on, just because of him. You know, our country is Tanzania. It have more than 120 tribes. You can imagine. We live together. We live as a friendly. We live as a relative. We live close as man. Big shout out to him. After that, we had a short walk whereby we see this big statue beside Arusha Regional Commissioner office. So this big sculpture of Tembo elephant, man, this is big shout out to this artist too, because this artist really, I didn't imagine. I can't explain to you, because when you really visit this place, you see like big elephant is just in the middle of the town, and man, whew, that people are so creative, and we really have to use what we have. Then this design and this sculpture, you think that this is a real elephant, this sculpture just at the middle of the town, all this statue, man, it blows my mind. And at the same time also, we had a walk in this street straight to the clock tower, whereby they say it is at the middle of South Africa, I think, and Egypt. So this clock tower, it has a beautiful thing, and I thought that the clock is not working, but it's working. It was working. I just checked my time by that time, and it was working. Then after that, we balled, man. From there, so we asked for the online tax. Tuk-tuk came, and we grabbed our tuk-tuk straight to Lake Duluti. It have beautiful story with me. So I made a lot of friends there, being there, and also I had this friend of mine. His name is Lota. Wherever you are, brother, I will miss you, and please just check me out here. So I remember there was a time that most of the time we went there and we read books. It's a cool place. So for us, it was the middle of the week, so there was not that big population. And at the same time also, we had a chance to sit in a while, making some story with this friend of mine, who I show her about the beauty of Arusha. Arusha is always in my heart. You have to know that. Yes. And at the same time too, also, we really have to believe that nature, it has to take place, because this Lake Duluti, there is no inlet or outlet of it. But there is just water surrounded with these beautiful trees and a beautiful escarpment that's just around. And the place there is evergreen. Evergreen. But you're not allowed to fish there, and you're not allowed to swim there, but you're allowed to hire a boat with a tour guide, then just going around the lake and stuff like that. But for us, we chilled there, and after chilling, we were waiting for the sunset. My friend loves a lot sunset. So we had this sunset, beautiful sunset, and it is so beautiful being here, man. It's so beautiful visiting this place, Lake Duluti. And the beautiful thing that I love about this Lake Duluti, man, is sunset and these birds who were flying and back to their nest and places just beside the shore of this Lake Duluti. Yeah, that's all about my visit at Arusha city. Arusha is always blessed and always in my heart. There's so many things to explore about Arusha. This is Tana World, and I really have to remove my heart for the respect of you, and just know that always life is so beautiful visiting different places. And just by visiting different places, just know that China World is here to make different experiences, capturing different experiences, because life is so beautiful having different good experiences in this world. My name is Stefano Aminel. Till another time, I love you. And see you. Bye bye. Yo, man. Man, here is so hot.